60 seconds with Femi, correct Pidgin now what they do. And this morning, make we talk about Real Madrid because yesterday they announced that they don't go back their ex-girlfriend. They don't go call back their ex-girlfriend, Zinedine Zidane. Make it come back and be their manager. Yesterday doing press conference and today we they say in first training, in go do in first training. What do you think of this Real Madrid comeback when they do now with Zinedine Zidane? Some people say don't talk say this thing Zidane no for agree or Zidane no for collect this job. What do you think about this one? You feel say this comeback when Zidane they do now he go be the man we go try resurrect Real Madrid back because when we look Real Madrid this season Champions League they know they Copa del Rey they know they even league self they no fit win them again because then they far from point with Barcelona where they number one. So what do you think about Zinedine Zidane as in the comeback? You feel say he go fit help this club next season, make them buy better players and next season make them fit win trophy. Zinedine Zidane he don't come back as Real Madrid manager. Real Madrid fans, we're not happy with this one.